Yes guys, today we are back with a video and the new lightning round. There is loads of free stuff in it. So we are going to be getting into the lightning round. First we are going to be doing this 84 plus special pack. Now let me just close the door guys. First we are going to be doing this 84 plus special pack. It's a great pack. You need to watch a video for this one. But then after the video it's definitely worth it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright guys, so let's see what this pack unfolds. Oops, sorry. Ooh, oh no. Right, not that good. I'm going to leave that up there. Pacey Bits, alright, guaranteed team of the season. Walkout. It is team of the season. Mo Salah, oh no. Oh, I thought it was 97 Mo Salah then. Pacey Bits. This is a guaranteed All-Star nominee pack. Buffon. Oh no. 87 Mbappe. That's quite good. That is good. Oh, I'm going to save that till last. I'll show you why I'm going to save it till last in a minute. The reason why I am saving that team of the tournament till last is because, well, I opened one of those packs yesterday. This is the card I got. The time I opened it before, that's the card I got. So I'm hoping for a big card with that pack. So let's open these 5. These aren't guaranteed, so. Gold work, and I thought it was going to be walkout then. I always get really bad luck from these guys. Sorry if I'm sniffling a bit. I have quite a bad cold. Icon. Come on. $85. Gattuso or Gattuso, I don't know. Alright. This is a USL rare card. Walkout. These can be quite good. Spain. Barca. Centre back PK. Right. Wow, that was overpowered. Alright, special silver pack. Foot champs. Okay, I'm going to open these 3 special packs. 82 Witsel. Team of the week. Come on, let's get like an icon out of this next pack or something. No, team of the week. Alright, now this pack. Hopefully it's good. I always get good luck out of this pack. Come on, guys. England. Manchester City. Sterling. Let's go. 92 Sterling. This is a highlight of this video, guys. Alright, yeah, to finish off this video, let's open a team of the season gold elite pack. And nothing good. Alright, so there's the free lightning round. I think definitely the best card I got then was 92 Sterling. Oops, no. That is a good card. So, yeah guys, I'm going to finish off this video by opening these 15 special packs. One of these 15 special packs, sorry. Because it wasn't that good, I'll open one more. I'm going to open them until I don't get a team of the week. Alright. Man of the match. Alright, 88 Verratti. So that is going to be the end of this video, guys. Oh, and 89 Pogba. Alright, that's quite good. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to be doing a pack opening of all these packs soon. I just need a couple more special packs. So anyway, I'll see you in the next one.